All right, welcome back to the channel. Today we are on video number 4 of starting your $25 business, getting it set up, and we're going to be writing your email again for you today for your MLGS. Hopefully in the last video you got your traffic up and running with our additional monthly traffic source that was completely optional. If not, let's just go ahead and log in today. We're going to write our email for you. We're going to send that email out so that way you can start generating income into your $25 business, because as you can see, we are already through October 27th of this business, and I am currently at over $30,000 worth of income on that. As you guys can see, make sure we pop up our FTC disclaimer as always, because we are talking about income claims. But don't let that scare you away. But check this out, guys. That's absolutely insane for a business that literally only takes you $25, can be ran in 30 minutes per day or less. And all you have to do is log into this account that we're about to show you and start sending your email. So if this is the first time you guys are coming here to the channel, go ahead and do me a big favor and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up on the way in. We're going to teach you how to write another email and how to make money literally spending less than 30 minutes per day. Now, we are on video number 4. So if you're brand new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, give this thumbs up, then come to my channel and look for video number 1 of this series, because that's going to show you how to set up this whole system. We're not going to go through the setup process, and you want to watch each one of those videos because we provide you with the email that needs to be sent out. And we're not collecting leads. We're using a service that generates the leads for us. We just log in once every 24 hours. And we're going to be sending an email. So you guys go back to video number 1 to get signed up, see how to daisy chain your accounts. So let's go ahead and jump into our account. Let's send today's email so that way you can be done for the day and move on with doing something that's a lot funner than just sending an email. But this is a very simple way to make money. So come to your account and log in. If you haven't logged in, there will be links that are directly below this video that you can go ahead and create these services with. But we recommend watching video number 1 because it does give you an in-depth walkthrough about how to set this all up. So we're going to log into our Mileage and Secrets account. You're going to come to the mailing system as always. We're going to skip this part. We're just going to hit select all. We're going to skip this part, and we're actually going to go ahead and write ourselves an email. Just like we did in the previous 4 videos, we always use copy from the pages of the products that we are promoting. So we left off here yesterday, so let's go ahead and scroll on down to the next video here, and let's find something else that catches the eye. Paid out well over $2 million to people just like you. That is very catchy. Let's grab that, see if we can't use that for a subject line. We can. Paid out over $2 million to people just like you. People are going to go nuts over that and be like, okay, what is that? So let's take a look right here. You can start generating leads and sales even if it's your first day online. All right, let's see here. And all right, this is perfect. All right. And you keep the customers paying month after month. All right, let's just copy that. That's a pretty good email. It's a little bit longer than what we normally send, but it gives you a little, some of those people don't always want short emails. Sometimes they want emails like this that kind of explain stuff just a little bit better, right? So let's change this font down to 16. All right, and let's look this over. This amazing all-in-one business includes everything you need to have an instantly profitable online business in just a few mouse clicks that will take less than 10 minutes to set up. You can be generating leads and sales online in 24 hours, even if it's your first day online. All products, websites, pre-written professional emails, ads, and ad copy, and an entire proven to convert sales funnel are ready and waiting for you. We handle all the payments, product delivery, customer service, customer retention, and we provide 24/7 support and ongoing follow-up with your customers to keep your customers paying month after month and generating additional sales for you. Basically, we do all the hard, techy, time-consuming stuff and expensive stuff, and then you get to keep all the profits. Click here to get set up in under 10 minutes. Okay, and then you're going to put talk soon or thank you or whatever, greetings you want to put, talk soon, and then you put your name down here. Now, some people don't like to put their personal name, so you can make up a name. You can put Michael, you can put Jessica, you can put John. It doesn't really matter. These people don't really have a personal relationship to you. This is a cold email service, so you can just send that out. Now, what we need to do before we send this email is just go ahead and add in our affiliate link, which you would have set up in the previous videos. Okay, this is our back office of our affiliate product that we're promoting, and we got to come down because we're promoting this all-in-one $25 business, and you got to hit this copy button right here in your back office. If you're confused about this video about what we're doing right now, it's because you've kind of jumped ahead to video number 4 of this training series, and you need to go back and watch video number 1 here on this channel and watch all the videos from 1 until 4. It would take you less than half an hour to get all of those videos caught up. You click perfect timing now, and I will go ahead and hit the preview button so you can see this email, take a screenshot and write it down. It says paid out well over $2 million. And then I'm not going to reread that email, but it's right there and you are welcome to go ahead and copy that. One of the things I would like to do is highlight this, and I like to change this to this blue color, and I like to bold this so people see it and it kind of sticks out and they know it's a link that is available to be clicked. Then what you're going to do is you're just going to click send email. And then you're going to leave this page open, and then we're going to actually just copy this exact same email, and I'll explain why we leave this open. I've done in the previous videos as well, is you want to leave this open after it says send, because see how we already wrote this email and we changed everything and we added our link? If we just come up here, right click this, and we duplicate this, right? Now on the duplicated page, if we just go ahead and log out, this doesn't go anywhere. So now we can just go ahead, log into our next MLGS account. And as we've seen in video number 1, we recommend what's called daisy chaining your accounts. And we explain that in those videos. You try to get at least 3 accounts on the MLGS. We recommend 5, but you can do it fine with 1 or 2, just whatever you can afford to use, because this is a $1 per day service. So if you have 2 accounts, you're going to be spending $60 per month. So what we're going to do is just slide back now, come over here to the subject line. We're going to copy it. We're going to paste that in, right? We're going to come back over here. We're going to just select everything there, copy it, and then we are going to select everything in there and paste it, right? Now, all we got to do is hit perfect timing, right? And click send. And that is it. You will repeat this exact same process for every single one of your accounts that you have. If you have 5 accounts, you'll just copy and paste into all 5. And that is it. Your day is done. We are only 7 minutes into this video now, and my day would be done. That's all that you have to do. So guys, go click the links down below to sign up, subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed and you haven't got set up and you're kind of confused about what we just did, just go back and find video number 1 here on the channel, and it'll show you how to set all that up. Up until then, we'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.